So, hello people, today I will do the unboxing of my new fidget spinner. As you all can see, I got this from Paytm. You all must be seeing this rightly. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, now I will start the unboxing. I got this for a very low price. That is, I think, 150 rupees. I think it is good, but I don't know perfectly. So, here's something. It is nicely wrapped, as you see. I open it. Yeah. See. Clearing it. Too much of plastic. It just took 5 days to come. See? I don't know is there any good or not. So, you can see that it's a pretty good box. Written hand spinner finger toy. Yeah, Captain America is there. I show you. The pricing is 500, but I got it for just 150 rupees. Yeah. See, it's number 8911. So let me open the box.
Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though.
So that's it, I end the video here. Thank you. Stop.